It's packing time, and in this video we are going to pack a hydraulic drum pump and a seedlings, high value seedlings like the sweetest jackfruit in the world, EVR variety. As one of the problems in shipping live plants is its damage during shipping, and this type or this technique in packing live plants will solve the problems. So check this out. The first thing that we need to do is to put some water to the pot, ceiling pot, and this will be a sort of its irrigation during the trip period, or its water reserve to prevent the plants from this will also serve as a cooling during the trip period to avoid heat stress. And so for this we also have to put some plastic cellophane. We wrap it with plastic cellophane the seedling pot, to prevent water from evaporating. And so after this we have to place this inside the PVC sanitary pipe tube. This will prevent the plant from being damaged during thrown away by the riders of the couriers. So this technique usually solve the problems in transporting the live These are the reviews of this kind of packing at our online shop in Shopee. So most of the seller or buyers are satisfied with our plants because of this kind of packing. So we are finished with the jackfruit seedlings, and we are going to pack hydraulic pump. This ram pump is bound for Salcedo still summer, and as an alternative to bubble wraps made from plastics, we are going to use leaves of banana. So the banana leaves will serve as our wrap to prevent damage, or to provide cushion to our sensitive parts of the hydraulic drum pump, and we place it inside the cartoon to making them stable. And we wrap this tightly using the cling wrappers. So, So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope we learned something from this video. And for more of these videos, guys, don't forget to subscribe and share, and down your comments below in the comment section, so we may answer your inquiries. And if you want to order the hydraulic pump and biggest jackfruit in the world, we will be posting the links at the description. So just click on the description and find the link of our Shopee. Thank you and God bless. So John 4:6. am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except